Hi, I'm Sky Willard. I am the director here at Magnum Bikes. We are an electric bike company. We have been in the industry since 2010, so we know this industry, we understand the bikes, we understand what people are looking for. Our bikes really are this beautiful combination of sleek, innovative design, and we integrate, European and American and all sorts of different bike design styles together to bring something wholesome and collective. We have top-of-the-line parts that go along with it, but we offer our bikes at a relatively low price point in comparison to other electric bicycle brands. So we are about changing the future of transportation. We are here for the electric bike revolution, and we want to make it efficient, affordable, and sustainable for everyone. All right, yeah, so these are our new 2018-2019 models. Here we have the cargo bike. So this bike is made for heavy loads and riding. So, if you're a vendor or if you have kids or groceries or whatever it is and you need something that will support the weight, it'll get you outside, it'll get you going and active, but it'll also assist you. So, this is a 26-inch tire here, and we have this beautiful dense tire that will keep you light on the road. And obviously the basket, you can put your groceries or whatever you need in there. Here is the beautiful display. Now, this display, when we release this bike, you can connect your phone to it, and there'll be an app on your phone where you can entirely control the pedal assist, the speed, everything you want directly from your phone. Down here, we have a battery. When we release this bike, this battery we're pushing for 19 amp hours. So it'll have a lot of capacity for you to take you where you need to go with what you need. We also, true to Magnum standard, we have this beautiful suspension here. And then back here, we have a 750 watt Mach motor. So that's really gonna, kick you into gear, get you going, and make sure that whatever you're carrying is supported. I think the max load on this, I know it can hold around 600 pounds. We haven't done an official testing yet, but we threw 3 of our guys on there and rode around, and it was fantastic. Here we have the Navigator Plus. This is going to be a nice urban or city bike, but it really is diverse for all terrain. We have another 26-inch wheel here. This will have the same sort of display with the great app and all the connectivity. We also have hydraulic brakes, and here we have our beautiful integrated battery. Now, what I like about this battery is that it's integrated into the frame, so you don't get that clunky feature. It looks just like any other bike that you're riding. However, if you have any issue with, the battery, or if you get it wet or cold or hot, you can just pull that right out. So some integrated frames, the battery's stuck in there. And this one, it's removable. So I really love that option there. And then here we have the same 750 watt Mach motor, and this will be 14 amp hours, but we're going to push this one and see if we can get it to 19 as well. So this will be nice, all-terrain, especially for commuting, urban, transporting you to work and back. Yep. Here we have the complementary bike to that one. This is the Navigator, so it's the low step frame, whereas that one was the high step. It has all of the same components really as the Navigator Plus, except that it has the beautiful low step frame here without the high bar. This one is our low step cruiser. So this one is complementary to the cruiser we already have. However, it has the nice low step frame. We have these beautiful beach handlebars, just like our other cruiser style. This one will have the updated display with the app that you can connect to your phone, and the 750 watt motor. So again, this will be the same price as our current cruiser. It has the same saddle, the same suspension, just that nice laid back cruiser style, but it has a few updated components as well. Now this one here, and this one's my favorite. It's massive. It's bigger than me, as you can see. This is the Ranger. This is our fat tire bike. It has a similar style to our cruiser here, this frame. So it gives you that nice, like, comfortable ride, comfortable saddle, so you can really take this guy anywhere. And these wheels are made to just plow over everything. So this is kind of added to our mountain range bike line. It's really going to get people out and up on trails or even through the city. This will just handle everything. This will have the same display with the apps and everything, same battery as this line, and then the same 750 watt motor. So this is our new range of folding bikes. As you can see here, they are a little dirty. We took them out on the track. So we have the low steps and the high step. They're very similar to our current folding bikes. The differences we have here are some nice hydraulic disc brakes. We have a little bit different size in the tire here. And then the battery has 14 amp hours, so it has a little bit more than our other version. So you can follow us on social media. We have Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, everything. You can also visit us on our website. It's Magnum Bikes, plural S on bikes.com. All of our bikes will be on there with specs about us, our teammates, and the bikes.